What's up, guys? I thought I would do a little update on BTC to see how we're doing and what you guys can expect in the near future. Um, as always, let's start on the high time frame. Um, Obviously, BTC is still facing resistance right here on the weekly level as well as the monthly level. Gaining this resistance would be absolutely huge and would trigger a new upwards impulse towards at least 37k, which is quite significant even from this area, 20%. And if we look a little bit more closely in the current price area, you can see that the daily as well as the weekly uptrend is still very much intact, but we are now almost invalidating it. And an invalidation of this uptrend on the weekly time frame will be a loss of 25.9k on the weekly level or on the weekly time frame. And if we look at the daily time frame, it will be the loss of 25.1k on the daily time frame. So we still got this uptrend which is intact. And if we were to lose this uptrend, it can get quite ugly quite fast. As you can see, we have already retested this support, so this level is gone. And then the next high time frame support level is quite far away at, I think this area is interesting, 22.4k. And if we look at the weekly time frame, yeah, 22.4k. But that's even from this price area. Yeah, more than 10%, 11.5%. That would be quite huge. And then we could go even lower, of course. I think 20.3k area would be next if we were not to maintain here. So what's interesting to look at right now? We're now trading at the low of this impulse. So as I've said before, uptrend still intact, but we don't really see the reaction we would like to see here at the low. We're not really gaining anything as of yet, and we're ranging ever since we made the dump towards 26k. Um, so what I would like to see right now is a gain. Let's see. Yeah, you can pretty easily spot this support resistance area. Gaining this would be huge in the local price area, and a scenario like this could be up next. And if we can't gain here and move lower, I'm not interested in any trades in this price area or this price area, as the price has already been there before and thus liquidity has already been taken. So there's no real buying pressure. So I'm afraid if we lose right here, 26k, we'll have to make a new low um, to search for new liquidity. And that new low could be a new low in this entire price area, so a loss of this low. But we could also maybe test the last um, level before we make that new low, and that could be around here, 25k exactly, almost. So that could be the other scenario. And then of course, if we would maintain here, we could be interested in a trade if we then uptrend from here onwards. And if we lose there, we're not interested in a trade, of course. But you could actually take this short if we retest this level. So in short, no reason to panic yet, as the uptrend is still intact. And if we maintain here and actually continue this daily and weekly uptrend, it is actually perfectly fine. We could retest this price area and perhaps even try to gain this entire 30k resistance area. And if not, we invalidate this uptrend on the weekly and daily time frame. And we could start to look at a little bit lower prices, which would also be fine in the long run, but would cause this uptrend to invalidate. So thank you for watching, and feel free to let us know what you would like to see in the next videos. Ciao.